Jah Rastafari. Definitely would like to give thanks for life and a mighty life giver, and would like to send the greetings of love, peace and prosperity and overall wellness to the people of London, as we are on our way to London, where we're going to be having free grand lectures looking right into the realms of your food is your medicine. You are what you eat. And definitely sometimes you are a bit skeptical, for sure, that your food, how can your food be your medicine? But if we go as recently as in our early 1900s and the late 1800s, when the British sailors used to be traversing through the Atlantic Ocean, I mean, they used to die. 80% of them used to die through what you call scurvy, a vitamin C deficiency, right? And I mean, just by sucking on a lime, you could save your life because you have vitamin C deficiency. Goiter, lack of iodine. So it is very important that we actually understand and understand the whole physical structure and how it is that it interacts with your thoughts and also the things you put within your physical structure. Come and join us. Come and learn how to use 100% cocoa, fei duvan, what they call the guinea hen weed, the gully root, the vervine, the stinging nettle. Learn all about alkaline foods and what is really alkaline. Is it a fad, a myth? Is it reality, reality? How real is it? So definitely let's go into the science of it as you come one-on-one in a wonderful session right here with you in London, where we learn how to naturally eradicate this ease when your physical structure is not at ease. Blessed love.